Tapi sebelum pertandingan tadi kami pemain juga berusaha semaksimal mungkin untuk memenangkan pertandingan hari ini. Namun hasil ya berakhir imbang seperti ini. Terima kasih.
Selamat malam. First, I think Persebaya have fantastic environment here with the supporters, and for the development of the football, I think it's important. These good facilities, good pitch, good stadium, good environment. If all the clubs can have these, for sure the football on Indonesia go to develop. Was not a easy match. We have many players that play and was not 100%. We have the lucky to score the first goal after we make some offensive transitions that we have. If we have better decision near of the goal, maybe we can score the second goal on the first half, and also some set pieces. Persebaya, before we score the goal, have 2 shoots, one to the goalkeeper and one outside. And after we score the goal, and after offensive transition from our side, because Persebaya was playing at home and was losing, I think was important that Persebaya scored the goal near of half time, because cannot give chances to weaken approach in another way on the second half. On the second half, Persebaya on the first minutes, good pressure from them. After we can make offensive transitions, and was the moment that I make 3 substitutions because our players are not so good, and I need to remove Vitor Luis, back Kiri, because he start to play the game already with some injury. Also, Tito Kel was not with good stamina, because last week he got fever and go to the hospital and not recover 100%. And also Vitor Detan, one cramps. If you see, Latir broke the head and need to play some minutes, but also he come from injured. Daisuke play, also come from injured. So after it was a big difference when I try to approach different way. And in the other side, Persebaya put Flavio Silva, also on the half time put the number 3, the fullback, give more speed to the game, more chapat. And after we see counter to counter, as you say here on Indonesia, too much transition. If you see, we not come to defend, we try to win the game. And the good example is that we are trying to, with some players inside of the pitch that are not 100%. And if we're going to analyze the stamina, we see that some players of Persebaya are much better than our players, because many situations, some of us get fever or come from injury that are not 100%. We try to develop them quickly to be able on the next matches. And if you see the last minutes we tried to score the goal. We not try to defend. We try to score the goal to win. A good example is that we almost scored on the corner, and after on counter-attack, you score a goal that after was offside. But before this, check this. We have many, until now, 9 games, many games that this happen on the box. If we play ASEAN competition, or if we see competition, this is penalty. I believe that if the referee see this not on the box, go to make a foul. So explain to me. If they make a foul outside of the box, why not make a foul inside of the box? I'm not saying that we not win because the referee, no, because maybe the player that go to make the penalty maybe not score, but it's many mistakes from consecutive matches that I think is going to be a miracle for on Liga Satu, PSM Makassar have a penalty, because all the matches I see things that is unbelievable. I want to trust on the Wazit, I want to trust on the VAR, but come on, if you not make VAR, if you not make penalty on this, when you going to make a penalty? After the no more game, Persebaya tried to score, we tried to score, finish the match. I think who's come to see the match, see fantastic game with opportunities in the two sides. Also who's watch on home. Now we need to recover quickly and try to prepare the next match.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah bawa 1 poin. Tapi sebelum pertandingan tadi kami pemain juga berusaha semaksimal mungkin untuk memenangkan pertandingan hari ini. Namun hasil ya berakhir imbang seperti ini. Terima kasih.
Do you think the referee Indonesian League need a foreign referee?
If it's to improve, why not? Because before I was, if you remember, one of the first press conference that I have on my first season here, I say why Indonesia want to develop the football, why not VAR? Now we have VAR, fantastic development. But who is on the VAR must have decision. They don't have power to decide. Also the 4 referee, this is just my idea. I'm not giving any excuse because if the referee give penalty, maybe my player not score. So I'm not saying that we not win because there wasn't. No. It's just the idea, because if you're going to analyze our last matches, against Madura we have a situation, but the others, we always, all the matches, we have situations like these. And I know that if the referees see these, outside of the box go to make foul. So why not make foul with the inside of the box? If it's foul on the side of the box, must be a penalty. So I think it's afraid to make this, because one thing, it's not normal. If this happen on AFC Champions League Dua or ASEAN competition that we are playing, or on a challenge that Madura got to make, this is going to be penalty. It's going to be penalty. So why on Liga Satu? If we want to improve, and I hear the people from management that want to put Liga Satu, Indonesia, one of the best leagues of Asia, at least South Asia. So please, we already have the VAR, so check the VAR now.
The same person, president of PSMI, do you have any suggestion for him?
I think we must be positive. First, VAR already here, good. Now check who decide on the VAR. I know that they bring some people, I think a Japanese guy and also an Indian guy, okay? Before I was on India. So maybe better check and Genti, change the guy. Nothing against India, I was very good there. But if it's not work, who have the responsibility? Because we must be humble. And I know that sometimes as a coach, I go to make mistakes, player make mistakes, Wazit make mistakes, the guy from VAR make mistakes. But come on, we play 9 games. See how many games PSM Makassar have penalty. It's, if we get a penalty, it's a miracle. It's true. It's a miracle. This is penalty. Nothing against Persebaya. Persebaya have good chances. We have lucky, in my opinion, because the ball hit on the bar. Fantastic. Also, Flavio Silva alone shoot outside. We also have here good opportunities. But this is the football. But if good VAR decision, this was a penalty. Maybe we scored the goal, maybe not. But analyzing the VAR, we need some decision man to push these guys when they make the mistakes. Man, why you not say penalty? Because if coach make bad work, coach out. Player make bad work or make mistake, player not play. Was it make mistake? I don't know if go next match or not. Sometimes they make mistakes and continue. But the people that are on VAR, if make a mistake, Ganti, put another guy. Let them rest, let them learn. I believe that the guy that are decide, if they are Indonesia, for them this is new. They don't know. So I try to be patient. But 1 game, 2 games, 3 games, 4 games, 5 games. I'm a coach. I live here. And for me it's very important the result. And when we see that we got big opportunity and the VAR don't want to see, it's like we be sad. But as I say before, we not win because there was it. Because if we put penalty, maybe my player that go to take go out. But the VAR must say that is penalty.